Hello, Maryville Human Development Students Psych 254. I'm Professor Angie, and I am so excited to meet you all and get us all ready for this crazy semester that is fall 2020. Um, I am excited to see you all when we start gathering together in class. If you did not know, our course has been selected as a hybrid learning model or a mixed attendance model, which means we will not all be in the room on the same days. That's a little tricky, but don't worry. I am here to work with you, and it's going to be good. A few things as you get ready, and I know you've got access to your courses today. And so here I am. I'm actually in my O2 section. I have two sections, so this might not be your exact section, but they should look exactly the same. As you get started today, I want you to do two things. One, take a deep breath. We're all in this together, and it's going to be okay. Two, click the syllabus link. Okay, here you're going to find all the info that you need for the term, all the assignments, all the due dates. Now, when you look at this, you're going to note it looks like there's a whole lot of stuff. Don't stress. A lot of this is things that we will do during class. And when I say during class, I mean whether you are in the classroom with me or you are on Zoom, we're going to collaboratively do a lot of these discussions and these group activities. So this is not stuff you all have to do on your own. A lot of this is things that we will do together. So don't drop the class just because you see all the assignments. I promise they are things that we will do together. The second thing is on this course syllabus page, you're going to find my Zoom link. Save that. On Tuesday, when we all gather together for the first time, this is what you're going to click. You're going to get into that meeting room. We're all going to be in Zoom together. Do not come to the classroom on Tuesday. We will all meet in Zoom. I will orient us all and walk through this, but that's going to be the best way for us to get together and talk about it. The second thing that I want you to do as you get ready is I want you to click announcements. Okay, this announcements link is your friend. There is going to be so much information that I share through announcements, and that is because it is the best way for me to make sure everyone has all the info they need. So here you're going to find two things. Again, the Zoom link. I'm going to continue to send that out, especially for the first day of class. That's how we're joining. And then on days that you're not on campus, you're going to use the same link, this Professor Angie link, to join us virtually. The second thing is I would like every student to fill out a little Google form for me. This is just going to let me know what your plans are. If you're a student who is planning to attend on campus, if you're planning to attend only on Zoom, it just lets me know because I actually have to set up a seating chart, which just seems kind of silly, but it's one of our ways to do contact tracing. And so it would be great if I can know what your plan is. I have no preference and you are allowed to change it as time goes on, but go ahead, fill out this form. I'll remind everyone on Tuesday again as well. I'm also going to be splitting us into small groups, and I want our groups to be consistent with who is in the classroom and who is on Zoom. So that's going to help me get that stuff set up as well. Finally, I wanted you to see my face since I will be wearing a mask when we are in class, and that's also when we are on Zoom. I'm working on the best ways to produce video, the best ways to guide through the class with this new hybrid model, but I will tell you this, I love human development. This is my area of interest. I am very excited to try out some new things. If they work, great. If they fail, we're in this together. Most of all, I'm just excited that we get the opportunity to engage in this material and for you all to learn together alongside me during this time. So I will see you all virtually on Tuesday. Welcome to Psych 254, and please feel free to reach out if you need me. I've got multiple ways you can get to me. I've got my phone. You can send me a text message. I've got my email address. You can set up a time to meet with me virtually on this Calendly link, or you could also set up a time to meet with me on the phone. So take care, have a great weekend, and we will see you on Tuesday.